Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here at another community drive. So we are currently in Queensborough. I'm in this area, so just decided to show you guys around as well. We are heading up to MANNINGS roadside, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, or if you watched a few videos and haven't subscribed as yet, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. You know, join the family. Remember to like the video and leave a comment as well. So this is sections of the Queensborough community. So stay tuned while we head up onto MANNINGS Road. So we're gonna cross over Malines Road right now and go on to Fairdean Avenue. So this is Fairdean Avenue. Then we're gonna head up to Red Hills Road, cross over Red Hills Road and go into Evendale. Alright guys, so thanks for clicking on this video. Let's enjoy the drive together. Alright, so we are currently gonna be crossing Red Hills Road right now. And then this is the Price Right Town Center, part of MEADOWBROOK. We have post office, bakery. Bakery is Delight Bakery and Restaurant. We have a supermarket. We have Shoppers Delight Supermarket. We have wholesale barber. You know, you name it. It's a town center, and then the bus that goes up in the hills, up Red Hills, up Rockall. They usually load right here as well. Alright, so we're gone onto Evendale Drive, and this will take us all the way up to MANNINGS Road. So Evendale, very decent community. And again guys, if you're watching and you've ever been in or ever lived in Evendale or even Queensborough, just let me know in the comment section. There's a mixture of, you know, very good size residential single family lots, and also a mixture of apartment complexes and townhouses as well. Meadowbrook High School was on the left, right at that intersection. Alright guys, stay tuned as we head up to Mannings Road. So you have a few recently built, smaller type apartment complexes. Some of them are still for sale. So you have a few of them with apartments for sale. So again, you have a mixture of, very nice single family homes and apartment complexes going up as well. So Evendale, and again we're coming from Queensborough, crossed over Mannings Road, crossed over Reviews Road, and we're heading up to Mannings Road. Alright guys, continue enjoying the drive. Alright guys, so we're currently approaching Mannings Road. We just came over Island Avenue. So heading on to Mannings Road now. Alright guys, so remember to subscribe firstly if you haven't yet done so. Remember to leave a comment, and if you are living in any of these communities or used to live in any of these communities, just let us know in the comment section. Share the video as well, and I'll definitely see you on another community drive.